Why you are giving me the facts? I will give you the facts of what your client has done. So
They have all the specific and precise data of yourself.
yes.
Then you have.
So they will tell us, don't make stories. I know what your client has done, and they will have the data from where the money flowed from 3-4 sources above. Right? Father has given to son, son has given to his friend, friend has given to his friend, and then again it comes in the company. All this kind of chain they are immediately able to know. There is a department of government called FIU, Financial Intelligence Unit. All the top income tax and GST officers, they work there. Right? All the top IS officers, they work there. They know each and every transaction. So, of course, ethics is the need of the hour. And even if with your levels, if your turnover is low, you can get innovative funding solutions. You need the right consultant to guide you.
And last but not least, I would like to ask Mr. Abhishek Jain, who is a co-founder of NapBooks, to share his views on this particular things which we are talking about.
Thank you. So if you look at MSME today, they have two big concerns. Everyone has make a dot on that, basically pointed a dot on that. One is fundraising. That is the biggest problem for each and every SMEs. To scale, they need funds. Second is technology. So being a chartered accountant, I switched to technology way back 10 years back. Technology in MSME is one of the key areas where you have to focus, you have to build strong, because all these big corporates have those technologies with them. But with the advent of this SaaS solutions, this platform services, you can see those solutions are available to SME also at a very affordable rates. And those are proven solutions. So when we talk about those proven solutions, if we implement those in our business processes, digitalization can bring wonders to the MSMEs. As everyone has focused on MSME, हमेशा क्या होता है, एक ओनर होता है, लाला की कंपनी होती है, हम उसको बोलते हैं लाला की कंपनी. बेसिकली मेरी कंपनी है, मैं उसका गाइड करूंगा, मैं ही सारे डिसीजन लूंगा. एवरी डिसीजन हैज बीन माइक्रो मैनेज्ड इन MSMEs. When this micro company becomes medium, they need to have a pool of command, chain of command, and those chain of command doesn't come. क्यों? क्योंकि the owner wants to do everything himself.
So you mean to say that there is no decentralization of power?
Decentralization of power is a different ball game altogether. I am saying that there is no power to anyone to take a decision. Not decentralization, or not even a power firm to their responsibility. So if there is a CFO or we can say accounts manager in a company, but he cannot take decision on what accounts has to be made. So in these scenarios, if you are not following all the technology stuff, if you follow those technology stuff, they will make it easier for you to build the business processes, to build the structures, and it will help you to migrate from a Lala business to a corporate run business. And it will take time. It is not that कि भाई एक दिन में ये transition आ जाएगा. You will need a good consultant to help you out, and these solutions act as a consultant.
So you mean to say that all this professional consultant will help the Lala to change his approach and methodology of his decision making?
Yes, 100%. Not just the consultants, but the technological tools. So if you see here only, there is a stall of Odoo. Odoo is one of a community-driven solution. Free solution है, हर MSME जाके use कर सकता है, and that tool acts as a digitalization tool for you, and जो आपका structure बनाना है आपका, वो बना सकते हैं. And secondly, funds. If you have seen in recent past, there has been huge impetus on funding from banks, and now MSME is moving. In last 2 years, if you have seen, there are more than 100 IPOs coming every quarter. All these SMEs are coming into the mainstream through the IPO. IPO is not just a fundraising exercise. IPO helps in fundraising. IPO helps you building a brand and competing with someone who has the brand. So, जैसे अमीश भाई ने बोला कि there is a 1,000 crore company, there is a 25 crore company. So, for a 25 crore company to reach that 1,000 crore level, they need to come up with some innovation. And this SME IPOs has been helping those companies. I am not saying all the companies are doing good in after SME IPO, but 85% of the company have the new source of fund after SME IPO, as well as they have new source of opportunity to connect and collaborate with the main world listed companies.
But if I just for my knowledge, I'm asking you, being a director in a listed company, do you think that people are, product placement is happening too early? Like in a SWOT analysis, the strength, what you are saying, can be your weakness also.
See, I'm also a director in a listed company. When I started my journey, we had a valuation of 14 crores, which is very low valuation, low profit thing. But what that gave us, the platform what gave us, it should be your mentality that, okay, I'm ready to grow. Then you should think of a listing. Other than that, if you have a long-term plan, you can go for it. Turnover, profitability is not the concern of the early placement. It is all your mental block which you have to lose, and you have to see that, okay, this is the bigger picture. I have thousands of opportunities to deal with once I get listed, and there are hundreds of problems which you need to see because you are a listed company.
You have used the numbers so well. You have 1,000 opportunity and 100 problems.
So, as a consultant, my role being help those clients to digitalize and create the bigger enterprise. And when the wealth creation is coming, so IPO is one of the key contributors to wealth creation of wealth. So on that basis, I would always say there are thousands of opportunities and 100 problems which will come. But if you are caution enough, if you say less, then world is yours.
So indirectly what you are suggesting is you should have a proper, kind of a, your arms, like a consultant, a proper CA, proper banking backup and everything. Then you need to jump.
You need to create those. So basically, once you have that mind block,
using all the resources at the right time.
you will get all the resources. It is just that you have that mind block, mental block. अरे listed हो जाएंगे, तो I won't be able to do this, that, and so on. If you are very clear that okay, listing is one of the exercise which I need to do to build my brand and to explore more opportunities, then there are all those people available, all those consultants available who will help you out. There is NSC, BSc.
Then the ocean is yours.
Yes, the world is yours.
That's what. One thing I wanted to ask to this gathering, that the thing which I am feeling very this thing that whether you express or whether you don't express or whether you are vocal or not vocal, what is everybody's common this thing, since we have legal kind of a people around us, do you think that AI coming into big way to our day-to-day business also and day-to-day life also, so what kind of I can say suggestion or what kind of a thing you will tell us to this August gathering in terms of what to do, what not to do before it's too late?
So, for example, I mean, who would have thought that in 2016-17 and then finally in 18, today everybody is watching your Supreme Court and everything live. Now, okay, so what did that actually entail? I know because I had appeared in that particular case. And we brought in this whole concept of legal transcripts, which meant that what you said in court, for years together never used to get recorded. And how did we actually convince the court? Well, by saying that look at what other countries are doing, look at what the International Court of Justice is doing, and we actually used a free app. We did a moot court, we recorded it and said it came 85% accurate. We said if it's a paid app, you'll get 95% accuracy. So it meant that every time a judge, a lawyer, the press, everybody knew, and you brought in this whole concept of transparency. Now, this is been implemented in the Supreme Court, and you will have it now very soon in the District Court. So this is one aspect of AI. The other important aspect, because everybody is saying they are fearing, is the concept of insurance. So as an MSME, SME, insurance is available. Today there are large reassurance broking companies who will actually tailor-make policies to suit your projects. So I think that is again is safety. And the third thing that I really would like to say is that please understand that the law also is now moving in your favor. If you in a contract, if somebody says the jurisdiction is California, our Supreme Court and others have said no, it doesn't matter. You can sue them here as well, and we are in the process, and we can do these things. So,
in terms of when your agreement is done,
yes,
at the club,
you still have see, arbitration is separate, jurisdiction clause is separate. If it says I mean, it's very simple. I don't want to get technical, but your CPC, which is